8 a.m. on a summer's day, and I'm at the Wildwood Water Park, Morey's Pier. But this is not the typical sun-blazing, heat-stroke-worthy summer day. Instead, it is dark, misty, cloudy, and once you get into the water, the cold winds ensure your teeth will chatter. The water park is mostly empty by 6 p.m., 1 hour before closing. But not us. It's Power Hour. Power Hour is the final hour the water park is open, a term created by a family friend, Mr. O'Keefe. Mr. O'Keefe, my best friend Meg, our brothers, their friends, and I spend this final hour sprinting up countless stairs to guarantee we maximize the amount of rides we can do before the water park closes. The boys yell excitedly at each other, deciding who they will race this time, while Meg and I struggle to keep up with them, also laughing at the boys as they push and shove each other as they race up to the top of the stairs. But joke's on them, because Mr. O'Keefe, with his long, bouncy, haphazard strides, managed to beat all the 20-year-old healthy boys to the top with plenty of time to spare. Although this seems tiresome and repetitive, I find joy in this utter chaos. Mr. O'Keefe is in his mid-50s, and yet he has the heart of a 14-year-old boy. In the 10 years that I've known Mr. O'Keefe, I've never seen him sit still for more than 10 minutes. He constantly moves and prefers swimming laps in his Speedo versus cozying up with a quiet book indoors. He is that crazy dad who addresses you by adding your name into whatever song comes to mind, even if he's only known you for 2 days. My dad, who is roughly the same age, struggles to keep up with Mr. O'Keefe's energetic lifestyle. My dad would prefer sipping on Stoli and discussing politics, whereas Mr. O'Keefe would rather parasail. Mr. O'Keefe strives to keep his childhood alive. He continues this tradition of Power Hour because for him, it is a reminder of his now far-away glory days. I believe in Power Hour. Not because it is tradition, but because it helps me remember to enjoy my youth while it still lasts. Not all of us will be like Mr. O'Keefe, who at the age of 55 continues to run every day, play fetch tirelessly with the new puppy, wake up at 7 a.m. for his routine bike ride, and refuses to acknowledge his slightly graying hair by claiming it is simply blonding. Power Hour allows me to ride out my youth for as long as I can. Mr. O'Keefe sure did.